Hey everyone, Kristen Bradley here, your Tampa Bay area real estate agent, and quick video about off-market properties and why they're important. As you know, this is a hot market, mostly for sellers right now. A home goes on the market, it's priced right, you got a lot of buyers, and a lot of offers happening. So if you're lucky enough, you make a great offer and you get that home, you're all set. But all the other buyers that lost out, they're going to go through this same process with all the other homes. So either you're going to find one or look for one that's more of like a fixer-upper that maybe not everyone is bidding on. Maybe hopefully you're not overpaying for something just to get a home. So instead, the other alternative is to find your location, neighborhood, narrow it down. Maybe it's just school districts or maybe it's an exact neighborhood that you want. And you go out and you find one that's maybe not for sale yet. Maybe the homeowner is looking to sell, they're just not sure what they can get for it. They hear the market's hot, so then they're just not sure, so that's why it's not listed, or they're just waiting for the right buyer to come knock on their door to sell their home. So there's multiple ways for this to happen, but essentially you need a great agent who's going to help you throughout this process. So if you're fed up, the first thing you want to do is work with an agent who's going to help you. So the first thing I do is you would sign a buyer's agreement, which it's free to do, but all you're gonna do is sign something that says you're working exclusively with me. The reason? Because I'm gonna go out and work very hard to find this property for you. So I want your loyalty to know that while I'm out there working, not some other agent is gonna swoop in and show you a property and you're gonna go off with them. If for some reason you're not happy with my services, you can get out of that contract. That's not a big issue, and that's something we can talk about. But you're not going to be unhappy, trust me. So the first thing, you sign a buyer's contract. And then I need to know, where do you want to be? Is it just a town, or is it a neighborhood or a school district? So once we get all that lined up, then what I do is I start cold calling people, door knocking people, sending out flyers as much as I can, so that we can go out and look at properties in the neighborhood, and hopefully you find one that you love and you want to make an offer on. And then from there, I work the magic and I do all the deals and make this as smooth as possible, just like a normal real estate transaction, as if you found one that's already on the market. So the key is just that extra work that me as an agent would do for you to go find that property. And just think about it. So it might be a little bit of waiting to go find that property, because I have to go cold call, door knock, and it's probably not going to happen in the same day. That someone's going to say, yeah, okay, let's make an offer. It could, but let's say you're waiting a few weeks while this process is going down, but you're the only one going after that home, usually. Other people could be doing this as well, but maybe not the exact neighborhood or the exact homes. So hopefully you're the only one going to that homeowner. So you're going to get that offer if you like that home. Instead of you're waiting, a home's on the market, you put in a bid and you're outbid by 5 other buyers. So just think about it. Maybe you can wait just a little bit while I do this process and we can find you the perfect home. You have any questions, give me a call. I'll be glad to meet with you. We can discuss all your options and see what works best for you. But remember, with everyone out there, make sure you work with a great agent. Whether that's me or someone else that you know is a great agent, just make sure you pick them. With all the lousy agents out there, don't settle. So just make sure, number one, make sure you work with a great agent who has your best interest at heart and who is going to help you. Because at the end of the day, it's about relationships over transactions. It's not about the money you make. It's about helping people. So catch me on the flip side.